Good day everyone. In this video, I will share my reaction to the video about control systems engineering, focusing on test verification, development, and concept formulation. So one of my key takeaway from the video is that the control system engineering is not just about solving equations. It starts with the concept formulation where engineers first understand the problem, define the system requirements, and develop a clear mathematical model of how the system should behave. So before anything is built, engineers carefully plan how the system should respond to inputs and disturbance. So this stage is very important because a strong concept leads to a better and more stable design. So the next important idea is development. So after formulating the concept, engineers move into developing the system using simulations and modeling tools. So they design controllers, adjust parameters, and improve system performance. So instead of directly building a hardware, they test the design in a simulation environment first. So this helps identify possible errors early and reduces cost and risk. So another key part discussed in the video is test verification. So engineers must verify if the system performs according to design specification. So they compare the expected output with the actual output and check if the system is stable, accurate, and efficient. So if the results are not satisfactory, they go back, adjust the model, and test again. So this process ensures reliability and safe before real-world implementation. So the video was helpful because it showed that engineering is a step-by-step process. It is not just a theory, it involves planning, testing, improving, and verifying. So, as a future engineer, I realized that careful concept formulation and proper testing are just important as technical knowledge. So, development and verifications ensures that the system work correctly and safely. So, overall, the video helped me understand that engineering design is a continuous cycle of thinking, building, testing, and improving.